Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got an Aston Martin. It's a Aston Martin DB4GT High Speed Edition. It's a casting by Hotwheels, and the thing, or even a surprising thing, is this car doesn't exist in reality. It's a fantasy car which Hot Wheels made with Aston Martin. If Aston Martin was supposed to attempt a land speed record based on a car which they made a long time ago, a DB4 GT, this is what they will have. So it's a very interesting car. I don't have a point of reference to actual car, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here it is out of its packaging, and if you see the side profile, it's so classic looking. It's like based on an old Aston, but the roof is lowered and the shape is done to be more aerodynamic. It looks really good, I would say. Actually, if Aston did one of these, it would have looked like this, I guess. You got a lot of sponsor names on the side: Hot Wheels for Aston Martin wheels, and then you got the Great Britain flag here. It's left and right. I don't know how much I can show in the interior, or it will be visible, but it only has one seat and the other on the passenger seat. It has it doesn't really show, a fire extinguisher. You can also see the side exhaust, looks really good. Got number 4 and this red paint stripe, the fast looking stripe going on. Classic Aston Martin letterings on the side, looks really good. Up front, you can see the resemblance from the DB4, especially the grille. Let me see, especially the grille and these lights. Again, the front is designed in a base, so it's lower to the ground, it's more aerodynamic. You got this big hump on the hood, so I'm assuming it has one of the biggest engine you can get through it. Now passenger side looks almost identical. Even the wheels, they are different. They're not, from the side it looks like a black wheel with the white walls, but it's actually white wheels, and they've done it in a way so it looks like a white wall wheel. Looks good though. From the rear, again, you can see the resemblance to the taillights from the Aston, but you see there's no big bumper, and you can see racings down there, so it's done in a way to achieve the land speed record. No rear window. I love the shape of it. It's very different. I don't know if it's a vent or an exhaust here. Looks like a vent because exhaust is here. It's very different, very unique, and actually Hot Wheels done a good job, like making a car based on an older car. Looks really good, and I think we might be able to see some other variations too in coming days. I like it. It looks good. It's different. Well, let me know what do you think about this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.